talk about something that they really don't talk about when it comes to going up in dosage on a GLP-1. The exhaustion is real, sis. When I went up to 12.5, I felt like my body got hit by a bus. And I wanted to share this because sometimes people only show the weight loss side, but they don't always talk about what your body is actually experiencing behind the scenes. When I went up in this dosage, I noticed I was extremely tired, sluggish, sleepy, and honestly drained. And because I'm anemic, I don't like the way that feels. And so at first I thought something was wrong, but then I was like, okay, let me try adjusting some things. So I did some research and I said, okay, let me get some protein in. And so you see me making my protein shake. I got the veggies, I got the one with the extreme energy and all the things because I needed as much energy as I could. So your body is adjusting and it's learning how to adjust. You're eating less, your digestion slows down, your blood sugar shifts, your body is literally changing. And one thing I realized really quickly is if I don't nourish my body properly on these medications, you are going to feel it. So the smoothie portion, so now I'm trying to be in a lot more intentional about what I put in my body. It's not just about the weight loss, but you really have to fuel your body because if not, you're going to crash. In the crash, you're not going to like it. That's why smoothies have been helping me so much because sometimes you may not feel like eating. A lot of times I don't feel like eating a full meal, so I'll reach for a smoothie or a protein shake. So this smoothie, I did put protein, I did put collagen in. I've already taken my iron and um, my vitamin D, my B12. Those are all the supplements you are going to need. You're going to need it. Your body is going to need it because it's losing weight and you're not going to always want to eat. You're not going to always have an appetite. However, don't neglect fueling your body. And so a good protein shake is always great. I will leave the one that I am using below, but if you want to get the liquid protein shake, just make sure the grams are there and if the sugar isn't. So protein is not optional on this journey. It's not optional. You definitely need it. It's going to help you get the energy that you need. It's going to help you truly get the energy that you need. Um, because your body is losing. And so if you're not fueling, which we would normally do with full meals, you need the protein, which is going to give you the energy that combats, the energy that the weight loss is sucking. You need to put it back into your body. Also, protein. So the protein you can do eggs, chicken, fish, along with the protein shakes. You need to fill your body because one thing these GLP-1 medications will do is suppress your appetite so much that you can accidentally undereat, and it's I mean, eat is non-existent, and that you wonder why you feel weak and exhausted. So this is my little egg cooker. I love it. I fill it up, and when I want something, a quick protein, I go to do this. The next thing is hydration. Make sure you're drinking your water. Make sure that you are totally drinking your water. Up it. Try to get as much hydration as you need. Also, the power aids, Gatorades, anything like that. And then sometimes your body just actually needs the rest. So make sure that you're listening to your body. Make sure that you're in tune with your body on those days that you are up in your dosage or those injection days. I hope this helped and let me know in the comments.
I just enjoy